Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the Trap Master this trap class. So what you need to do first is go to your loadout battle royale page and tap the skills class page. Tap it. This is the Trap Master. So as you can see, this is an electric tripwire that can reduce the speed of enemies passing through and incrementally hurts those who stand in the trap. Let's see the detail. Tap the yellow icon. As you can see, this is a route a high voltage current line, and also its benefit to your allies because your movement allies is increased, and also the skill recharge speed also increases. So give it a try. I want to try in battle royale training ground. Welcome to training ground. As you can see, there are 3 enemies in front of me. Let's set the trap. Tap the trap here. So let's see the evac. Your enemy is slowing down, and also give them a bit damage. So thank you for watching. Give it a try in rank match. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.